Hey there traders, today I will share with you a trading strategy that could possibly make you a livelihood. This strategy is extremely accurate and works on crypto, stocks, forex, and any other market with high liquidity, so stay focused throughout this video to avoid missing any important points. Traders, this secret strategy consists of 3 free TradingView indicators, and I will show you how to add them to your chart and what settings to use at the end of the video. These indicators will help us determine the direction of the trend first, and it will also prevent us from taking trades when the market is in the consolidation stage. We will only look to buy if the price closes above the moving average, which is a strong signal that the price is in an uptrend. The next condition will be for the price to break above the smooth Heiken Ashi candles, and the price candlestick does not have to touch the shadow of the Heiken Ashi. Our trigger candlestick must also be bullish, and we must have bullish volume in the market. The green line of the volume indicator must pass above the orange line, and both must be above the zero level. Okay, we see that our conditions have been fulfilled, so we will place a buy order at the close of our trigger candlestick, with a stop loss at the most recent low price and a take profit target of 1.5 times the risk. The exact opposite is true for short positions. We'll only look to sell when the price is closed below the moving average. The price has to break below the smooth Heiken Ashi candles. Our trigger candlestick has to be bearish, and it doesn't have to be attached to the Heiken Ashi candles. And the market has bearish volume, which is true when the orange line crosses above the green line and they both are positioned below. We will initiate a short position at the end of our trigger candlestick and set our stop loss at the most recent highest price, with a take profit target of 1.5 times the risk. Okay traders, I hope you understand the rules, but if you don't, I will give you a few more examples. Okay traders, our strategy has issued a fresh buy signal, and we can see that all of our conditions have been met. Our first trade was successful, so let's continue on. Here we have another bullish signal that has been confirmed, so we will simply follow the rules and initiate a long position, remembering not to let emotions dictate your choices. We can see that our second trade was also effective, and if you can control your emotions, you can make a lot of money with trading. This is why we need an indicator strategy that eliminates the human factor. Okay, our strategy just issued a new sell signal, so let's go ahead and take a short position. I strongly advise you to practice this strategy at least 100 times so you have complete trust in it. Okay, we just closed our trade with a good profit. Okay, traders, I hope you understand the principles of this strategy. Now, let me show you how to add these indicators to your chart. Go to your indicators section and type in EMA, then pick this indicator. For the next tool, we'll use the Smooth Heiken Ashi by Sam X. And lastly, let's add a volume flow indicator by Lazy Bear. Okay, in order for this strategy to be full, we need to make some changes to the following indicators. To begin, go to the EMA settings and increase the duration from 9 to 200. We can also make the line a little thicker. The next stage will be to alter the settings on the volume flow indicator. Set the signal length to 30 and the maximum volume cutoff to 0.5. Finally, make these lines more visible. Okay, so now that you know the trading setup, let's actually do our backtest on a 5-minute time frame and see if the outcomes are reasonable or not. I just finished the backtesting, and these results have surprised me. Our win rate is 70%, and the profits end up at 11%. I would also like to mention that these results will be different when trading live, so always try the strategy for yourself before using it. Guys, feel free to run back and forward testing on various markets and times to gauge how well it performs. If you want to see one of my other trading strategies I use when day trading, check this video right here, because this strategy works great on the every time frame you want. I'll see you guys next time.